super simple dessert called the Triple Decker Brownie.
But first, we're gonna wash our hands. Stay tuned.
It's the Labiches.
Okay guys, we're back and our hands are clean.
But before we get started, I want you to give this video a like and subscribe. Okay, so what you're gonna need is Oreos, cookie dough, and brownie mix. So first thing we're gonna do is make the brownie.
Okay, so after you've prepared your brownie mix, you want to just set it off to the side. Also preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take the cookie dough and line the bottom of the pan with it and pat it down so it's nice and flat. Now we're going to put the Oreos on top. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the oven for how long?
45 minutes!
See you when it's done.
Just got the brownies out of the oven.
Let's see what they look like.
Alright, let's see how they taste.
Yummy.
It's so good. Very chocolately. Very good. Very hot. We hope you enjoyed watching us make our Triple Decker Brownies.
Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.